Hello viewers, you're watching Technical Gyani. Today I am gonna tell you about USA USA automobile insurance, which is very common. Bundle of your home and auto insurance, the rates coverage of you deserve. You can fulfill the form, but read it carefully. At Route 62 Insurance, keeping our customer protected is our number one priority. We understand that home and vehicle are among your most valuable assets. That is why we offer a wide range of increasing coverages to meet all needs. Our team of fully licensed insurance professionals are here to customize policy for you with the right coverage at competitive rates. Auto insurance, from comprehensive and collision to roadside assistance, our insurance expert can customize your auto insurance policy to protect you from just about anything. How insurance protect your home and personal property with standard homeowners insurance coverage of inquiry on the additional coverages you can add to customize your policy. Bundle and save. We make it easy to bundle your home and auto insurance. Building your insurance policies not only offer superior convenience but also saves you money with multi policies discounted. So hope you understand. They protect your car, your home, and your all private properties. It's really necessary. If there is a form, you just need to write your name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and your one insurance for your car or your home or both packages. Hope this video is useful for you. Be careful, take care, bye bye.